I was going to draw an owl.
That's right, we're going to be drawing a really super cute little owl. Are you ready to draw?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do we need? We need our
Sharpies,
Sharpies,
our paper, and our alcohol markers.
and our alcohol markers. You ready to go?
Yes.
Great, hope you follow along with us. Let's get drawing our owl. You ready? What's the one thing about owls? The super unique thing. They got really big
They got really big heads.
eyes. They got really big eyes. So they can see so much. Alright, so we're going to start with the owl's little beak and then we're going to move on to the eyes. So let's find the middle of the page. Yeah, a little bit lower down. Yeah, and we're going to draw a little V over here. So a V like that.
I'm done.
Good job. Wow, you're so quick. And then a little thing on top there.
I did a
Perfect.
little one because
That's okay. You can draw a little one. Yours is a baby one. Okay, now we're going to draw some big eyes next to our beak. So we're going to draw... Usually we draw slightly smaller eyes, but we're going to go
but we're going to go
big with this one. So you try to make a perfect circle. That's it. Good job. And let's try another one on the other side. Amazing. That's right. We're going to draw our highlights inside our eyes.
Yeah, you can do whatever eyes you want to do. You don't really need to copy us.
That's right. We can do any eyes we want to. Let's go ahead and color in our eyes. All right. Good job with our eyes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little curve just on top of our eye. So if you watch me, I'm going to keep it sort of the same, start at the same distance of the edge of our eye. And I'm going to go round, kind of like a circle. Kind of looks like an eyebrow.
Yeah. It is his eyebrow.
Yeah, it's kind of like his eyebrow. Do another one there. Perfect. Good job. And what we're going to do here is we're going to draw a little bit that comes out at the top. That's it. Perfect. Good job. So we got his eyes, we got his mouth. And now let's do the side of his head. We're going to draw a curve on the side. It's kind of like a K, like for cat, but not all the way around, just a little bit of it. And we're going to start kind of in the middle of where these two go off. So about here. And we're going to draw a curve that comes around his eye and down.
It's not really like a curve.
Yeah, it's not really like a cut. It's just a curve, like a bit of a cut. That's it.
Do you stop her?
Yeah. Good job. Good curve. Very nice. Good job. And let's do on the other side the same like
he's
that.
eating some food in my mouth.
Does it look like he's having big cheeks?
Yeah, like eating some food.
Good job. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw another curve that comes up. It kind of looks kind of like a horn.
Yeah.
But this is the little pokey bits on his top of his head. Very good. And we're going to bring them back round and then go up along his head and then up there. That's it. You can, oh, you joined it to that. That's all right. You can just draw a curve just on top of his head. That's fine. Yeah. That's it. Perfect. Good job. All right, we got our owl's head. Now we got to do our body, and we're going to draw the wings, the edge of the wings first. So it's kind of like just like that one you drew there, but make it a little bit bigger. And we're going to stop maybe about here. Do you want to put a reference point there?
Yeah.
Good job. And then on the other side, excellent. So let's go and do a curve to that point. I'm going to put mine here and here. My reference point is 2. Let's go and do our curve. Very good. And on the other side. Great job. And we're going to draw his wings. And we're going to bring his wings inside a little bit. Because we're going to draw...
So he can be like wrapped up in all kind of food.
Yeah. Or we can make him draw holding something. Like a heart.
Or a cute flower.
Or a flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw kind of like an S curve a little bit. So it's going to go... Yeah, it's going to go like that.
Not really. Like a slide.
Yeah, so we're going to go down and curve up a little bit. That's it. And then on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. But they're not going to touch. Very good.
I can't even trust my pigs.
That's okay. And then we're going to do a curve that comes in, and that's for like a feather. Imagine it's kind of like 2 little thumbs.
A he's
Very
playing a
good,
video
that's it.
game.
He's playing video games. Like Switch. Good job. Okay, and then let's do another feather like that. Very good.
And another one.
And another one, that's right. Until we get to the bottom of our wing. Good job, I like it. They look like big hands, but they're his wings for flying, aren't they? Okay,
It's
and
very cute.
yeah, let's draw a little curve that comes in just under our owl on each side. So over here, we're going to bring it down and then around under his body. That's it. And the other side. Good job. And then we're going to draw his feet. And for his feet, we're going to kind of draw like the letter M for mum. Like that.
That's his toes.
That's his toes, the top of his toes. And then on the other side too, draw another one. Good job. And then let's join these two together. And we'll draw it upside down. And upside, like a W now.
Yeah.
W for water. That's it. We have drawn a super cute owl. Wasn't that easy?
Yeah.
Good job. I like yours. And it's time for our favorite part, which is
Coloring.
coloring. We're going to color our owl. Now you can use whatever colors you like. I'm going to draw maybe a brown owl.
I'm going to do a rainbow.
A rainbow owl. Someone's going to do a rainbow owl. So we're going to fast forward through our coloring, but you can always pause and catch up, see what colors we use. You ready to go?
Yeah.
High five to you. Good owl. Well, Summer, we have done some amazing owls. I went with the brown one, and you went with a super colorful owl.
Yeah.
I love all your creativity, and you added a stick there too that he's sitting on. And we did a heart as well. We had lots of fun with the owl.
Yeah, we had
Great. High five to you. You did an amazing owl. Hope you all followed along and enjoy that lesson. And I'm sure your owls look super cute too. Wonder what colors you used. What do you think? Maybe blue and pink and grey.
Yeah, the same as me, maybe. Because they
Same as you. Yeah, good job. Thanks for
maybe
following
the
along.
grown-ups are doing some and copying you.
Yeah, maybe. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for following along. And if you liked our drawings, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye, everyone. Hey, well done.
I like
Good
it.